Right now, let me show you how you can close the external hard drive on your Mac computer. So if you have some hard drive connected through the USB port, you can just open up any folder on your Mac right in here. And in the left panel, you should see the locations, right? So it might be collapsed like this. Make sure you expand it. And this is, of course, like your home, iCloud, and so on. And you should be able to see the external storage. For me, it's this one in here. I can get inside and browse the files which are in there. So technically, if you don't want it to be like showing up on your screen, you can of course close it through the Finder, like close the Finder window, but it is still connected in here. So if you want to disconnect it, you can see that if you locate it in the left panel, part of the locations, there is going to be the expand or eject button. So when you click on this button next to it, it's going to basically disconnect it, right? So you can see that it is no longer a part of my Mac in there. So that's how you're going to do this. Just make sure, one more thing, that it's even like showing up in here, that the locations show up. So you can click on the Finder and go to settings in here and decide that the, as I said, locations show up. So if you don't have the disks, or external disks enabled, then you will not even be able to see the external connected disk. So make sure that this is checked and connected or like set up, and then you'll be able to see it in the locations panel and eject it if you wanted to. So I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.